this is the microclean fine grater. I'm just grating the ginger. Ooh, real nice. Oh, there we go. All done. And that should be about a teaspoon. I wanted to show you how the garlic press works. You actually don't have to peel the garlic, which is awesome. And sometimes you have to squeeze real tight. Ooh, here, I'll show it. There it goes. Beautiful. And then it has this device that nicely scrapes it off. And also, look at this side. You can actually push the elements in here. Oops. Trying to get it to work. There we go. And then that actually helps to get the garlic out without having to touch the garlic at all. All right, now we're pouring everything in. So here's the garlic and the ginger into the quick cooker. I actually am adding scallions because I had it in the fridge, so thought that would make a nice addition. Soy sauce, 1/4 cup. And then we have meating, which is a rice vinegar, and that's 2 tablespoons of that. And I just want to show you how this works. So this is the liquid side. You can pour that in. And then for the honey, I'm going to push this down to the 2 tablespoons. Here we go. And pour in some honey. So use the red side for this part. And we're almost there. And y'all, this is so easy to get the honey out. All right. Almost done. There we go. Okay. So there it is. Beautiful. And you just push it out. Voila. Done. So cool. Greatest invention ever. And it's so easy to clean out the honey. So there we go. We have it all in. We're going to whisk that and add the chicken. Okay, we have the chicken in there, and now we're going to put the wire rack. Just make sure all 3 feet are touching the bottom of the pan. As we say in Japanese, itadakimasu. Very nice.